Hi Queens! Here are 3 techniques to help save those edges. I am all about saving edges. So as you can see, the cornrows there on the right side are the traditional way that you normally do a cornrow braid down. I have come up with this technique and I have coined it the twist braid cornrow. Twist braid cornrow. And as you can see, my lovely assistant Bree is twisting down this hair. And you want to do, I believe we did 6 to 8 twists for her. And so once we got through those twists, we automatically went into braiding her hair down with the regular traditional cornrow. Okay, so as you can see, she has started to do the traditional cornrow. As you can see here, that's the traditional cornrow and this is the twist. You can clearly see where the traditional cornrow, there is a little pull there, a little more tension than it is on the twist. You can see that it's super obvious. More tension, less tension here on the twist. We're going to test this theory in just a couple of seconds, but the second technique is obvious. It's just leaving out the edges, leaving out some of that hair, not braiding that hair in with the cornrow. Very basic, very simple. Okay, so this is the twist and that's the regular. That's the twist. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go through the twist. Okay. Look. See that? See? You didn't feel nothing, did you? Okay, y'all, she didn't feel nothing on this twist. Okay? So this is the twist that we did. Okay, and I'm right there. I'm gonna go right here, put that through, and hold that down. You feel anything? All right, see, that's the twist. Okay, now we're gonna go over here to the regular, just a regular basic braid down right there. Okay, we're gonna go on through here, and I put the finger down right there. Okay. I'm gonna go on through. Okay, you feel that one?
Yeah.
Okay, so she felt that one. She felt that one, Queen. So that means that's better to do the 6 little twists and then do your braid out. So I did that intentionally so you guys could see the difference between a twist and then going into your braid and then just doing a regular braid down. Regular cornrow braid.